In today's video, you will learn about the benefits of eating jam. Do you eat jam frequently? It is common to see people who want a healthier lifestyle change their eating habits and add more physical activities to their daily routines. But something that many people still can't do is give up on eating something sweet during the day. Are you part of the sweet tooth team? If you love sweets, you will like learning about the benefits that jams offer to the body. According to experts, high-quality jams, besides giving a special touch to dishes, are important because they contain pectin and soluble fibers, responsible for the gelatinous aspect of jams, and have a regulating action in the intestine. Incredible, isn't it? Made from fruits, organic homemade jams without sugar are good items to up your eating habits. With a nice flavor, you can eat jam at breakfast in place of butter and margarine, as a dessert to reduce the craving for sweets, and as an afternoon snack with some toast or cookies. In this case, always choose the ones with no added sugar. Other versions are sweetened with reduced sugar or sweetened with fruit juice, which are great options for those looking for health without giving up on flavor. Fruit jams have limitless uses in culinary. They can be used from simple dishes to the more sophisticated ones in sweet and savory recipes, like meats, helping with the digestive process. Although they have all these benefits, jams should be eaten in moderation as they are high in calories. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Learn now how to make a red fruit jam without sugar at home. Write down the ingredients: 2 cups fresh strawberries, 2 apples small, 6 dates, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup water. Directions: hydrate the chia seeds in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. The seeds must be swollen and the water looking like a gel. Set aside. Wash the berries and remove the leaves. Cut into small pieces. Peel, core, and seed the apples. Cut into small pieces. Put the apples, dates, and chia water in a blender or food processor. Blend for 1 minute until smooth. In a pan, combine the strawberries and apple cream. Mix well. Close the pan and let it simmer over low heat for 20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool down naturally. Now put the jam in an airtight jar and store it in the fridge. Tell us, do you eat jam? If so, which one is your favorite? Do you spread it on bread or do you use it on your dishes? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.